Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Form Group D. First, you need to visit the official Railway Recruitment Board website for your specific region. Once there, find and click on the Apply Online or New Registration link to begin. You will then complete the initial registration by providing essential personal and contact information, ensuring all details are accurate for a smooth start to your application journey. To be eligible for Form Group D, candidates must typically be between 18 and 36 years of age. The minimum educational qualification required is a 10th grade pass or an ITI certificate. Before applying, gather all necessary documents. This includes scanned copies of your passport-size photograph, signature, and any other relevant certificates like your 10th grade mark sheet or caste certificate, ensuring they meet specified format and size requirements. Once registered, proceed to fill in all personal, academic, and contact information with utmost accuracy. Next, upload your scanned photograph and signature, making sure they adhere to the exact format and size guidelines. After completing the form, you will pay the application fee online, typically through debit card, credit card, or net banking. Finally, review your entire application thoroughly for any errors before making the final submission. To avoid common pitfalls, always ensure that all personal details entered match your official documents precisely. Discrepancies can lead to rejection. Pay close attention to uploading your photograph and signature in the exact specified format and size. It is crucial to provide an active email ID and mobile number, as these are used for all important communications. Remember, submitting more than one application can result in disqualification, so apply carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.